This antelope had a stroke of bad luck today. African wild dogs chased it into the water and prevented it from reaching the shore to safety. Forced to back up, the antelope found itself facing another threat, a hippopotamus, known for its intolerance of intruders in its territory. The hippo attacked the antelope, but the herbivore managed to fend off the fatal blow and escape the giant's grasp. Meanwhile, the wild dogs persisted in their pursuit, growing more aggressive by the minute. Despite the relentless attacks, the antelope refused to give up and fought back, all the while keeping a wary eye on the hippo behind her. Despite her efforts, tragedy struck as a lurking crocodile seized the exhausted animal at the opportune moment, leaving the antelope's valiant struggle in vain.